GCN page so meaning at the address searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so obey a notification. And some may pursue my gun nara. Obey BT and I say obey be a share a word GCN page here. Now page be a word with her Instagram and Facebook in our money number. Page no need any Mahama 2024. Not just a page, on when you are Papa said 2024, the king can. By hook or hook, except on Manthony that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Eba Power. Now, party na air casse, sorry, page in our casse, and it's a more okay, and say. Right, Honorable Aban Babin, you say waiting. What's the day? You are not speaker for NDC. But you are speaker for Ede Omai Ghana. Yati. Say we are sadity. In this world today, sadity. And Kayani Karias yet be said, I didn't know what it. Fancy for Bessie. I didn't know what it. I didn't know if you are Kabuye. It is said how we are speaker of Parliament House, ya. His Excellency and another Danko Kufa, one Kauna way, that is a cow too. Tika NDC for the Ashe watching ye Pia one, that is a Kadia Naka, ye Pia Naka would so. Now what's the day? When you speak and family, when you speak and family, now refi sacrifice, or rest here don't catch ya, a year a day a mile, or refi, NDC MPs, our one son obey speaker, our Parliament House, and there was the only NDC party. Only NDC party now, now you're 2020. Now, your friends, Madame Jenessa by say. His Excellency and another Danko Kufa na we mini. Ye press conferences be brave say. Yende saban we wiem na mo se nanado no ye president yende enim nanado. Ni ame cha de kra say ura aban babin. Sisiero or ye speaker e wo Parliament House ti ye president ni. Aye de e da ye ntrim say ye president no no. And that was den unim ye akwe. Na His Excellency and another Danko Kufa do. Ono kro ye president no. Or young people for there. It is all work for a president, and that's when you're there. You're my baba. Why? Now, didn't you a page you can say, now they say. And I know, and a vetting committee for more, and I do almost almost vetting ministers, almost vetting. Now, ministers in the vetting, and any papa community and say, why? And this is full society, same for yes or mayor ministers or maybe because in yet to pa a honorable how comes in. Adam, Mama, Mamma, and yes or mayor minister. Because now they are to obey or for 2 hour in person or 2 into Elizabeth because of their president. But you made the bear rain, I read and normal demand and I come in this suppose or Montiasi and the Sammy lawyer, communications officer, and what's papa, a brandy. Or the people participating Babylon, or the people participating Babylon, or say. Honorable Ababine, Ura Mutaka, and Ura Harry and Bruce, the Abbey Moswa, more conscious papa. Just a more Tom Wadring, and a multi parliament household. I didn't think that is a motor about a day, Emma Sam ministers, and in Assembly. Then Ura, honorable rights, a right honorable Ababine, super bonty, what you say. Sammy Fee. Let me tell you something. Party no, ye me a speaker, ma NDC party no, me a speaker de ma o mind na. And no ram mutakas babonti no say, hey, Sammy Jennifer, how dare you? How dare you so be catch a okasa che member of parliament sir. Ye MP so, and e parliament house have no. What also abada? I didn't know one we crack our party no. And then seven na dia. Nano and na rubber be so chese on the day. So where's not being possible? I mean, obey. Or your speaker, the my Ghana, send this for one year, I'm not possible. Then, Bahama 2024, or the other to Twitter, and our chess. The son of Mokadia, right honorable Aban Babin, Yate. Now, the 15th some day at Tuja. What chess said, Babin says he's not for NDC. He has soon forgotten the magic Esiedun Ketia and the MPs had to do for him to be the speaker. Even the president at Akufo-Addo is for his party, NPP. If you are not for NDC, we have heard you. we NDC thank you, Right Honorable Aba Intino Omo Dawase. So also when you NDC for when you speak and from NDC for they don't fear one or for
every organ. Tidabia ni bompa ya ye kan semwa ebeboa so man Ghana benya na somdwe. NDC party no enye party bi anka sabe tan na party na structure na ho ewo kwan bi so a say obi edi ne ho wura party kwa asa ofere. I stand to be corrected. So woni obi nam na ukasa me NDC ni person onye smart enough pe na asa okoso odwa obi sa kana kura se me boa wo wo NDC ni so oni e bia wadamfo bi nam na o MPP ni na ukasa wo NDC ni a na odwa onye smart enough a obedwa osisi a asa odwa se wo NDC ni na dia make am what ma say yeah adentia adentia ene yato abai yasena na ado awini ene general secretary of the party, the opposition party asiedun ketia wakotena court ye busa ne nsem percentage say na munya ya na trese mo awini ontime nkan o tena na obeka dia I don't know a child time say Ghana me no miedu ye tena se ne ye kan bom ne adwene say ye nya politics ya adidi a team too much ya one day Ghana may experience a war. One day, Ghana may experience a war. If not war, Ghana may experience strong civil war because of politics. And a whole general secretary of a party, yadina ko jina akodwanim, yadina ko jina dakam. Say, okay, no mo se mo wini. Dey kura ebusa na say, yate se mo se mo wini election no, ana electoral commission for aden, atinchim nsa. Aya no kure. Ebusa asiedun ketia, okan we, no akan we. Okanwe no akanwe no ediaba ade na NDC by ya party ni be looking more attractive because not the only reliable opposition party, the strongest reliable opposition party, because there is no way we can hate NDC party ko eni hono mu a na se MPP fo no kwa na teso a ebekwa kwa ye autonomy what as here na kwa say MPP fo nkwa na omo really san de obo pe no mbe. And I was saying NDC party ni strong, not more looking more attractive. Everybody ni be encroacher. Ya be fan kwada bi mo ye campaign ni e di atem. Sabe ni e kan semfon. Ye kan sama sabe nyansanim Jimmy Kasa and ye de be campaign 2024. Jimmy Kasa ye kan nyansasem. Ye di afu ni e be kasa Jimmy mu. Sikani bre ni ye de ba nanti ana. Muki tankrofo betima campaign mama nice you. NDC, Ekitan Crawford bet my campaign more nice, but they need to be structured. Free education in Pokran and show Jam Timinya 47 no. Free education cutting across the nation. Ghana for so well. It is a Ghana open say uwini electioner. You must do better. And your propaganda. Mrs. Ghana. So Ghana, you are not very careful. You will experience war one day. Shall you to baby? Opposition parties who are winning, incumbent government and also are winning, and the choir, Obias who are winning. And you call court general secretary of the opposition party. You busan is a percentage say no munya otimenka. O check the way a court case in economy the way a man for common seminar. Just read between the lines. Ghana, ye safe. It's high time, say, ye cut it, Sanyamano. Near make sure, say, Ghana, no, and yan people, dear. Huh? And yan this in so dear. Yama, Yansuma political party in Murayan too much. Now, ye make sure, say, yan kasa. I had the bear campaign, and ye kasa. A hote. Yato abawie ye Samija mfimu so omawini President elect John Dramani Mahama yay obi ebose si edukatia se President elect John Dramani Mahama o check no hwe norm of parliamentarians o manya no it shows clear say omo candidate John Dramani Mahama is in the lead, is in the comfortable lead. Kyerɛ sɛ omo na eba bebu oman no. Tinanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo and concede defeat as soon as possible. Say bia na si wo Liberia ni omani tie no na mo je nyunu. Enti sa wo ya wadwene say bia wo do party bi too much. Etino asase na wote so e wo man Ghana no a 2024. Na hwe ya emwa. Cause 2024 be a world. A free time. Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo wababa di obetwa ni 8 wabetwa ni 2 terms obetwa wie. Ida Bawumia na ebo ana na any other person na ebo say JM na ebo say why na ebo that time no a crucial election. But enya election I say ya adwen say ye be ya niam bi be create ntokwa. Ye to aba na wie na say wo lusu na wo gidi tum say wo lusu na wo gitum na ya asomdwe a ka no say dachi bi no opportunity betimi asa aba ma wo party no enya ntokwa so. Ene Supreme Court ne da ho. Ti ensam ekoso ne de we ensam si edai ekeka nkese anifa. Say anya very careful. 2024 Ghana a rough. 2024 Omana ntokwasi so Liberia, Sierra Leone, Angola, Burundi no. Sa oman man ni nyina no so no. Liberia, Sierra Leone, Angola, Kenya, an African country. South Africa krase pinta kreti hoda. Ghana sento kwesi ahefa ne yeko Togo ana. Ne yeko. Togo ayo man ketewa bi. Enti wo so obema politics ya didi wadwenem. Na sebe wakan kwase akasa e de ntoto ye ne ntokwa beba. Koso jim because of politics. Politics. Enti sabe ya nwene si ye nuanie. Ye can't try and care. Me say, I'll be so glad, say, you about to do so near your campaign. Near me a message about attractive. Cha, say NDC and penny 40B. Animal Casa are a bon can during campaign time. Any about Trimacansem, any a said that Tony Pamomo young Quasia campaign. Say, Sadi any free one more. My goodness. Can this bet my hard power? Call one, Adiaba Kwa when this I want to say. Omini members. And before when say, oh, it's a done deal. And they don't care. They don't care. Or members, no, can you upon Canada be? It is an candidacy for FAC fact. Na Omanum sem, Aya Kono, and your propaganda. Ye can somewhere you no crack. Ye GM fum so atum ye convince nipa yie ha kome omonya konya nanka mi donya mi ohatasoro ka bi before be je nanka che but all the time eniema emfa so ma na campaign will be your campaign now head message ya what the campaign my JM oh God of Israel why yan cheni ma be yo ni enhwe wokwan ya befa so Ghana betimi agina yi ye ka no kra dia kire political parties no party a ene me no kasai say ya anya very careful ni an check ye niam bi ya ye ni mra ye ho so no na Ghana si mitrase ya koto abawie obi anu se na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo wa win election NDC said there be election ntesa election ntesa ya wiawom anom ya so meko court enom court na ye cheche nsem no wo hwe de we ase edu nketia ye totona no ene na no yiye ene be ne bo adwenem ha adia ben ane ba wadwenem Ghana ye be no mieru nyina de wo na say ya anya very careful ye be experience niema Liberia for experience bi dan Kenya, Angola, Sierra Leone, you bet my experience. Free education. a party across the nation. James to me fighting at 47. Until he said, "Oh, my imagine say, Omu, she said, yeah, you better no cratra Ghana for. Ya lusu, ya diatmusi, ya lusu. Near chubby bias, near hated grounds. Ya campaign. Ya pequia befaso 2024. Ya better marry election. No court, ya need to see ya lusu. No more say some more convince hated grounds. They might create a lot of problem. 2024. Positive problem and a bad problem. Ya better abani wienu. Na akwakwa yense mebiri. Nti it's high time say. NDC yamfa ni ade nkwa prenken se makromo. Ese MP before no so ehunu mo strategy. Sa mo de takase edu court to a different ball game. Te so mani enta ho. Why we need election? Why do court ye busa o say percentage ben in your own calculation. Percentage ben ana wanya. Budin. Sa untimi nka. Na ma say o ma twetwa so ayibi am say lawyer Kotam Power say you can use EC figures to tackle him or something like that. My twetwa na we any case you propaganda ni bi na make no. And say be call so ne cross examination questions akase e de tackle honorable ase edum ketia a wantimi anyia no. We NDC ni a wonyi ntumi say aniu. So general secretary akacho say when we need election no go do court na lawyer ebusa ne say in his own calculation e dey be percentage no onyan ye kire say election when we need no say wantimi nka number wantimi nko to figure bia wonya very sad. Wo di politics ye ti wo akoma woni padua wa de nyina chia mfa ho ye de tomre mu mfa ho wo de wo se e call no fita kwa wo se ko beka say kokko